Hey there everyone, welcome back again to another video of Engineering Pritam, and in this FreeCAD series where I'm going to talk about polar transform. So here what you see is one such example where we have created a single geometry and then we have created 6 instances of it utilizing polar transformation. And if you are new to this channel, I would consider you to subscribe, as in this channel we cover various engineering topics including this FreeCAD series. So if you want to cover FreeCAD series from beginning, make sure you subscribe to Engineering Pritam. Now let's come back to the topic of how we can create polar transform inside FreeCAD. So let me quickly undo this, or even let's start from very beginning. Let me also delete this existing sketch. And let's start with Sketcher. And of course we are in Part Design Workbench. Okay, so inside Part Design Workbench, we have started Sketcher, and I'm gonna go with XZ plane. Now let me actually choose the slot this time instead of that hexagon, and I just created this slot here. Okay, and let's select this geometry. Of course, we would like to make it fully constrained, but that's okay because my main intent here is to show you how we can perform polar transform. Now let's hit polar transform after selecting the geometry, and here we need to type the number of instances we would like to create. So let's say 5, and then I'm gonna also click on apply equal constraint. Now let's hit enter, and now we need to select the origin. So let's say this is my origin. And now here I'm gonna give the angular distance between all these instances. So let's say it is 60 degrees. And there we go, guys. Here we can see we have created 5 copies of our original geometry. After defining the angle, here we can see we are defining the spread. So let's go 360 degree. So in this way, guys, we just created 5 instances of same geometry. So this was polar transformation inside FreeCAD. So that's all, guys, from my side in this video. Hope that you find this video helpful and informational. If so, then please make sure you subscribe to Engineering Pritam to follow more such topics. And if you have got any questions or query, you may put them in comment down below. I will definitely try to respond them as soon as possible. And I will catch you soon with one such another video. Till then, you take care and bye-bye.